welcome to the channel of AK Fiberglass. Today we are doing a project on an 03 Monaco Destiny. He blew his front right passenger side tire, and when he blew that tire he had a slight little collision. So it ripped off a chunk right here. We kind of already patched it, and then we had to do some primer on it, and we got to do a custom paint job on this because it has specific little lines. The custom paint job will be right over on this side. It's a black with a goldish grayish line with just like flat gray.
We did the custom job on this RV. We fixed the molding on the door. We replaced the panel with the fiberglass. We replaced also fiberglass panel. We did some primer. We did aluminum frame molding, and we did some primer at the bottom too. We're gonna do all these three colors as Monaco Destiny. This is our new project. As you can see, we did the fiberglass at the corner. The collision hit all the way to the windshield. We replaced the windshield. It's only one piece. It's pretty heavy. We did already with the 4 guys. So as you can see, it looks pretty amazing, and we did amazing job on it. And we're gonna do a custom paint job with 3 more colors, and we will describe you in the next video.
Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you guys like any of the work we have done, we do fiberglass repair on boats, RVs, planes, and the shell of the wings, and we do oxidization removal to make any vehicle you have looking nice. If you like the work we do, we will have our phone number, website, and email linked in the description. And please show us some support by liking and subscribing the video and sharing it with other people.